The Milacron open house where we're displaying all the different plastic machineries that we make.
You know what? This is a new Milacron. It's great to work for Milacron right now, seeing they're not taking any step backs.
I would say Milacron is a global leader. They have been for a long time. But what we're positioned ourselves to do under the direction of our new parent company, CCMP, with the leadership team that's in place today, is to get ourselves better aligned, more focused on our customers.
It doesn't take a lot of oil to move at high speed. It only takes a little bit of oil. Able to show them everything that we do. Our complete line of machines, the new look and feel, our servo conversion, and we get in and we explain Milacron.
Milacron's definitely on the cutting edge of technology. A lot of value added for the customer to be able to have a single source for all their molding technologies. So it's been a great partnership.
Milacron's been a strong force in injection molding and plastics in general since 1968.
We started out mostly just injection molding here. Now we got extrusion, blow molding, the whole plastic line. This bay here is pretty much dedicated to all injection molding. Bay 2 would be extrusion. And back in the back, we're doing some co-injection work.
Our UC co-op students come through, and we had a vocational school, a local group came through early before a lot of the customers got here. They were impressed with our facility and how we did business. Overall perception of everything that's going on has been very, very well perceived.
And then you see the people at the university coming through, understanding the technology and what it's going to take and what we're trying to do. And then the high schoolers just walking through a factory for the first time, understanding, wow, that's how you do that. It's exciting.
Obviously, when the plastic goes in and it injects into the mold, that's what you get when it comes out.
Well, I think it's great that Milacron invited us all out to see their see the machines, see your facility, see how things are working.
It's really cool. It's cool how you have everything set up and everybody gets to explain what each machine does, and we work with all this every single day, so it's cool to see how things work.
The show-like atmosphere, you see the operations, you see the people, and we find it just to be really impactful for customers to come in and talk to us and engage us here at a facility in North America.
Obviously in Ohio, where over 90% of polymer research is done, it's important to have companies, manufacturers like Milacron in the area, in the state. Milacron's doing a really great job.
And focused on our customers in a better way so that we're looking at them proactively with our aftermarket capabilities and looking at what the needs of the customers are as opposed to being reactive. And that will just continue to build our brand. It'll build our success on a global basis.
Working with our machine, but then also working to promote the technology that has been jointly developed between Bemis and Milacron, and is available for other customers.
They've been a great group to work with, and again, we love the partnership that's developing with our two companies and being able to supply them a mold to run in their press.
It's very interesting. You know, we work in the recruiting industry for plastics. We've never seen firsthand the types of people and applications that we work with, so I'm learning a lot. I didn't know there was so much local production going on either.
These here also are magnets. These are the smaller.
What's that next challenge? You bring great ideas. They're not afraid to say, go. Take that and run and see what happens. You look behind me, we have the interactive technical manual. That's a great technology. And it was one of those that if people aren't committed to enhancing the customer experience, we wouldn't have done that. And that is something that was a little bit different for the industry, and it's going to be a great success for us.
When I go out to teach customers,
and they're buying brand new machines, and Milacron's at the top of their list when they're talking about it. As an employee, it makes me feel pretty good. So I think Milacron came back. I think this open house is nice. I mean, they set the machines up real nice. The sales guys are all now well trained or well informed about how the machines operate. So I think positive things are going to happen from this company.
If their machines are running and they can depend on us, then we think the next time they need to buy a new machine, they're going to come back and buy Milacron. And the people coming through this building today see all the latest and greatest and some new technology from Milacron that's new to the market. So it's pretty exciting.
The owners are committed to growth, and they are excited about it as much as we're excited. So it breeds that throughout the organization, and we're committed to figuring out what's that next thing we need to do for the customers, and that's just great.
Your manifold's perfect, and your mold's perfect, but your nozzles are all varying by 20.
A lot of changes have been made in the past few years. So far, what we're seeing out here, a lot of good things have happened, and I feel there's a lot of good things to come out of where we've been and where we're going in the future.
So we're satisfying the customer needs. I mean, that's something very good.